What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. Sorry about the lawnmower in the background. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we're going to be Cerakoting some headers. It's Glacier Titanium from Cerakote that we're going to be doing it. These are Austin's headers. We did put the 710 Performance logo on them, but we did have kind of a fail. It didn't come out quite as clear as we would like it to, although when you're sitting there looking at it from a distance or when they're installed, I'm sure they're going to look absolutely great. But there is another fail too. We noticed after doing all of the work, prepping, blasting, and Cerakote, Austin actually noticed that there was a hole in the header, so we're actually going to have to weld it up. So that's probably going to be coming in an upcoming video, or maybe we'll do a clip of it. Here's Cerakoting headers, Glacier Titanium with a red 710 Performance, which is also a red Glacier Air Dry Cerakote. If you want links for the Cerakote that we use, there are links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody who you think will find value in it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider doing that. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So now that we've got all of that done, we're going to go ahead and lay down Glacier Titanium. We're going to tack it out, then we'll go ahead and pull the letters off of it and see how they look. Let's get to it. And that's it. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and consider giving the video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel but you've watched this far, consider hitting the subscribe button down below. And we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.